Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, with the usage of the secret code, and after that I'll show you the longer one, however it is also useful. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And after scrolling down in this pop-out window, we are provided with the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and as I said, let me show you the second way via the settings. It is longer, however it is useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will simply forget about it. So let's enter the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And now let's tap on Software Information. And as you can see on the third position, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.